Welcome to our journey to discover how the Mediterranean diet plan can help you achieve quick and sustainable weight loss. It emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods and healthy fats. Let's delve into the key components. Fresh fruits and vegetables. The Mediterranean diet is abundant in fruits and vegetables, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber while being low in calories. Incorporating a rainbow of produce is crucial for overall health and weight management. Olive oil. Replace saturated fats with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats from olive oil. It's a cornerstone of this diet and contributes to satiety and a feeling of fullness. Whole grains. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat pasta. They offer sustained energy, fiber, and essential nutrients while helping control hunger. Lean proteins. Fish and poultry are favored sources of protein in the Mediterranean diet. Fish, especially fatty varieties like salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote weight loss and heart health. Now, let's talk about practical tips for quick weight loss using the Mediterranean diet. Mindful eating. Slow down and savor your meals. Eating mindfully helps you recognize when you're full and prevents overeating. Portion control. Pay attention to portion sizes. While Mediterranean foods are healthy, eating too much can still lead to weight gain. Meal planning. Plan your meals ahead of time to ensure you have a variety of Mediterranean-inspired dishes readily available. Physical activity. Complement your diet with regular physical activity. Exercise helps burn calories and improve overall well-being. The Mediterranean diet has numerous benefits, including quick weight loss. Weight loss, its emphasis on whole foods and healthy fats can lead to a reduced calorie intake, facilitating weight loss. Heart health. The diet is associated with a lower risk of heart disease due to its focus on unsaturated fats and omega-3s. Diabetes management. It can help manage blood sugar levels, making it a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. Sustainability. Unlike crash diets, the Mediterranean diet is sustainable in the long run, making it easier to maintain your weight loss. In conclusion, the Mediterranean diet offers a holistic approach to quick and healthy weight loss. By embracing this lifestyle, you not only shed pounds but also improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Mediterranean diet. Remember, quick weight loss should always be approached with care and consideration for your individual needs. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to create a personalized plan that works best for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on living a healthy and vibrant life. Cheers to your health and a better tomorrow.